Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Who
Good
was
morning,
this
ma'am.
child? Who was this child who posted on the group that I'm waiting for 5 minutes? Just name that student. Just check out on the group and I want the name of that child. Students, please check on the class group. Who has this child who has posted the screenshot and has written, I'm waiting for 5 minutes? I want the name of that.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Faz.
Bhumika.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Faz.
Bhumika.
Who is it, Furkan?
नहीं मैम मैम फैज
Raz, are you there in the meeting?
Ma'am, I told
Ma'am, I did
ma'am,
it.
she was Bhumika. Ma'am, I told that
Ma'am,
the
I
meeting
did it.
starts at 8:55.
Be quiet. Be quiet. One at a time.
Ma'am, I did it. Bhumika Chandan.
Only that child will talk. Bhumika, why did you write
Ma'am, I forgot
in
actually.
the group? What is the time that you posted on the? No, you forgot. You can, how easily you can forget? Hmm? Immediately apologize in the group. half an hour early, the class will start according to your convenience. How dare you do it?
Sorry, ma'am.
What the hell you people start doing on the group? Sorry, ma'am. Apologize on the group. Write on the group, I'm sorry. Who else? There was one more child who wrote 54. Who was that child? The names individual now. Don't tell me who. Before. I want the name of the child. Please check and let me know. Peter, was it? You people will be able to make out. Tell me, beta, see you on the group, who was it? At 54, I think the meeting has not started yet. Group name of the student. Tell me, children. Tell me who was your friend who wrote on the group. I think the meeting has not started yet. It was written 2 minutes before the class time. Who was the student? I just want to know. Who is this I? Any name?
Ma'am Faiz.
Guys, what is the time? Yesterday I posted the new timings for the classes. Did you check out the time on the group?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why do you people have to click and waste everybody's time? Next, be very careful. You should know groups. And this complaint, why I'm taking up is yesterday it happened with Gulshan sir also. He complained too. Same confusion starts in class 9, some of the sections. You people check out for anything. Please see on the screens what is written. Start reading. Let me explain it to you. Read quickly the first passage, beta. Then we'll start doing. That day I had explained some rules of reported speech to you children, if you remember. Okay? So look at this conversation now. Anu says, I will not attend school tomorrow. Anu says, I will not attend school tomorrow because I have to attend my cousin's wedding. Arun says, do you remember we have an exam tomorrow? Anu says, we have an exam tomorrow. Exclamation mark. See, beta, be very careful over here. There's an exclamation mark. I totally forgot about it. What shall I do now? Arun, I think the exam is more important than attending a wedding. Then Anu says, you're right. I will attend the school tomorrow. Please start doing. Your time starts now. All audios mute. When I tell you to answer, that time only please answer. I don't want to mute you all. You people are good children, behave properly. So mute yourself and then do these answers. Then we'll start discussing the answers. Please start. Your time starts now. Remember all the rules I told you. Tomorrow changes to what, will changes to would. All those things keep in mind. There are 19 students in the meeting, only these 17. Only these students will be marked present. All the others who write on the group present and do not join the meeting will not be marked present. Hurry up, do raise your hands, those who finish. Those who finish, please raise your hands. Hurry up quickly, those who finish, raise your hands. Raise your hands quickly, those who finished. Only 2 students have finished. Let's start discussing. Shivanshi and Ujjwal. Shivanshi, give the first answer.
Anu informed Arun that she would not attend school the next day because
Continue.
she had to attend her.
Excellent. She's given the correct answer. Anu informed Arun that she would not attend school next day. See, will is changed to would. Tomorrow is changed to next day because she had to attend her cousin's wedding. Excellent. Very good. Too good, beta. Ujjwal, second sentence from you. You've raised your hand.
Anu exclaimed that she have an exam next day. She totally forgot about it.
No, beta. Only the second sentence again. Only second sentence.
Ma'am, it's
Just give the
V1
the second.
only.
Dhananjay, you give the second answer.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have an exam tomorrow. I totally forget about it. What should I do now?
Sai Dhananjay, second one, second sentence.
We have an exam tomorrow. I totally forget about it. What should I do now?
Beta, we are still left with the second sentence. Dhananjay is answering the third one. Akansha, give the second one.
Ma'am, Arun asked her if she remembered that they had an exam the next day. Anu exclaimed, "Has she remembered?
Very good.
Has she remembered that?"
Did she remember? Asked her, did she remember? Do will become did, past tense. Speak now.
Did she remembered we had an exam next day?
Very good. They had an exam. We will become they. So Arun asked Anu, did she remember they had an exam the next day? Very good. Dhananjay, now speak the third one again. Nobody else is raising hands now. Please quickly raise your hands. Dhananjay, speak, beta.
Okay, ma'am. I think the exam was more important than attending a wedding.
He's giving the fourth one. What is Anu saying? Let's. Shivanshi, third one.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, beta, speak. Speak, beta. You said, may I tell? Now tell.
Yes, ma'am. Telling. Ma'am, Arun asked what she should do. Then Arun told her that he thinks that exam was more important than attending a wedding.
Yes, beta, you have to change into past tense. So Arun said he thought that I would become he because it is Arun. Think will become thought. Exam was more important. Is will become was. Very good. Now the last sentence. Raise your hand who will give me the last one. Dhananjay again. Raise your hand. Tell me the answer to the last one, beta. Dhananjay, try. Anu told Arun that he was right. You will become he. R will become was. He was right. She would attend school the next day. I will become she because it is Anu. Will become would, and tomorrow becomes next day.
Okay.
Let's do the second one. I have a surprise for you. Really, what is it? I will give it to you on your birthday. Thank you. I'm eager to see. I'm sure you're going to love it. Please do the second one quickly, then raise your hands. All hands down now. Once you finish the second one, raise your hands. Yes, Shivanshi, you want to say something? Okay, Noman is also finished. Shivanshi has finished.
Mary
Others quickly.
told Dia that she
Beta,
had a
wait. Let them also do. Let's give them 2 more minutes. Okay, then we'll discuss. Okay, very good of you to have done it so soon, but let's give 2 minutes more to others. Hurry up, others.
Okay, ma'am.
अरे
I think now we should start. Start, Shivanshi.
Mary told Dia that she had a surprise for her.
Very good. She has changed the past tense told. She had a surprise for her. Very good, very good. Let's see who wants to do the second one. We've got Akansha raising hand. Where is Noman gone? Noman also had raised his hand. Akansha, speak.
Divya was surprised and asked that. Ma'am, I think.
Never mind, you try, beta. Never mind, you try.
Divya was surprised and asked with joy that what was it?
You've already used the word surprise, na? So no need to add anything joy and all. It's enough.
Okay, ma'am.
So Dia was surprised and asked what was it. Very, very good. Next now, next sentence.
Ma'am,
Hey, Mehak has raised hand. Come on, tell me the answer.
Mary told her
ma'am,
that she
can I ask something?
Yes, beta, why not? Ask, beta, ask. Somebody wanted to ask something. Please
Ma'am,
ask.
Ma'am, in the second sentence, shouldn't it should be changed into that?
Beta, it's an interrogative sentence. So in interrogative sentence, we use the word asked. Okay?
No, ma'am.
And because
Yes, ma'am. That Dia was surprised and asked, "What was that?" It
no, if it was what is this, then this would become that. Okay?
okay,
Here
ma'am.
we don't have this. This changes to that, is changes to was. So if
Okay,
we
ma'am.
had the word this over here, it would have changed to that. But at least
Okay,
good.
ma'am.
You are paying attention and asking at least. Very good.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Mehak. Once again, please.
Okay, ma'am. Mary told her that she would give it on her birthday the next day.
She would give it to. She would give it to.
She, she would give it on her birthday the next day.
बेटा you को भी change करो. She would give it to her on
Yes,
her
ma'am.
birthday the next day. Rest everything is right. Only वो जो बीच का you है, there you need to change it to her. Speak again once.
Mary told her that she would give it on her birthday the next day.
Again, she's missing out that you one. It should be she would give it to her on her birthday the next day. Now let's come to the next part. Who will give the answer?
Madam.
Yes, Peter, give.
To this, Dia replied that thank you. She was eager to see what it was.
Excellent. Very good. She was eager to see what it
It
was.
was.
Excellent. Now the last sentence. Who wants to give?
Ma'am, can I give this one also?
Yes, Peter, please go ahead. Tell.
Mary confidently replied that she was sure that Dia was going to love it. Mama, she was sure.
Yes, she
She
was
was
sure that.
that she was going to love it.
Excellent. Too good, Beta. Very good. See, these three girls have given the entire answers for the first two paragraphs. So the others must have understood by now what has to be done. So this time I'll ask anybody by name. Only these three girls are giving answers. This is not done. Now do the third one. I want everybody to do, please. Read the third one quickly. Everybody should raise hands. I will not go further until everybody is ready. Let's give the answers. Quickly keep finishing and raising your hands. I want all hands to be raised. Hurry up, hurry up. Are we done, children? Same 5 hands only. More hands to be raised quickly. Right or wrong, whatever. I want the answers. How many hands to be raised? Let's check quickly. Very good. Very good. Better. I'm still waiting. Abhyuday, Ayush, Akshat, Dhananjay, Faiz, Ishika. Only these students I'm waiting for. Quickly finish so that I can start. Abhyuday, Ayush, Akshat, Dhananjay, Faiz, and Ishika.
Doing.
Okay, do. Do soon and then raise your hands. Everybody. Ayush, Akshat, Dhananjay, Faiz, Ishika, quickly. Now we are left with only Abhyuday, Ayush, Dhananjay, and Akshat. So the entire class is waiting for these 4 students.
Ma'am, only
Please hurry up.
ma'am 1 minute.
It's okay. I'm not saying you take 1 minute or 2 minutes, but raise your hands once you finish. Okay, Dhananjay has done. So only 3, Abhyuday, Ayush, and Akshat.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, now let's check. Only Akshat is left. We are waiting for Akshat now. Only Akshat.
Ma'am, Akshara is not connected.
Akshat is not connected. He will not be able to raise his hand.
No, ma'am, he'll not be able to listen you.
Then how is he taking a class? How does he take a class then if he's not able to listen to the instructions of the teachers? He just sees the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is quite strange. Let's start. We'll start from Abhyuday. Abhyuday, give me the answer. Please listen carefully. Whatever is wrong, please correct him. Start up with it.
Okay, ma'am. Tina told Aryan that
Tina forgot to tell. Continue.
ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, she said that where were you yesterday?
Those who do not agree with the answer, change the answer. Give the correct answer.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am,
And the
May
first
I?
child, beta, the
May
first
I
child
tell?
who said, may I? First one, the first one. Whoever
Ma'am,
wants to speak first, start, beta. Start.
ma'am,
Ma'am, Tina told Aryan that she called him the previous day.
Excellent. Tina told Aryan that she had called him. Beta, it is called in a past tense. Past becomes past perfect. So you have to use had. Had called him yesterday. Okay, the second part of the first sentence now. Who will tell? Start. Please start.
May
Whoever
I?
knows.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes. Continue.
I,
May,
Speak, Beta. Speak.
and asked
Aryan,
him where he had been, and Aryan told her that he went to visit her
Wait. Okay, one sentence at a time. Where were you? Change that part.
and asked him where he had been.
Okay, next sentence.
Aryan told her that he went to visit his grandmother and inquired why she had called.
Okay. Aryan told her that he had gone to visit his grandmother. Why did she call? Okay, what is Tina saying now? Next child, give the answer. Anybody, please. Next one.
Tina told her that she called to tell
Very good.
Ma'am, may I?
Tina him that she called him to tell the results would be out from the following week.
See, beta, she's absolutely right. The following week, Tina called to tell her that their results will be out next week. R will become there. Very good. Now, next, what is Aryan saying?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, beta.
When Aryan asked whether she was sure, Tina told him she saw the newspaper in the previous day newspaper.
Okay. Yes. Beta, speak once again. Let me check. Speak a little slowly.
Tina told him she saw the news in the previous day newspaper.
You all agree it's correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are the major changes we did today? Very quick.